Hello, today I am going to teach you how to earn $2,000 every day just from copying and pasting Google News. It is easy to do and you can do it anywhere on any device. My name is Alexander, and for more videos like this please feel free to subscribe and hit that like button. Without wasting any of your precious time, let's get straight into the video. Firstly, go in your search bar and search for Google News. Once you get the results, click on the first option that pops up. Google News gives a wide category of news such as US news, world news, your local news, business, technology, entertainment, sports, science and health. In this case we will focus on health, sports, science news. Now pick a category. Then select an article that you'd like to make money off of. Now copy and paste your article in this other site called Spinbot. Why use Spinbot, you ask? Spinbot is a free, automatic article spinner that will rewrite human readable text into additional, intelligent, readable text. Similarly, if you need a paraphrasing tool, Spinbot will get the job done for you for that purpose as well. Once Spinbot has rewritten your article, you can copy and paste on the site called anywher.com. Now look for the email on the site which you can use to contact them. Once you find the email, send them an email the article and also include your PayPal and banking details. Some of your articles will be approved and others won't, but this is a good way to make easy money. Thank you for watching up to the end. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so that you're always updated for more content like that in future. I have another video on 3 applications you can use to make money online. Do check it out.